everybody, Brian back here, but they look at turbo. All right, last night I posted a long right here. Okay, ran up pretty decent actually for a short trade, but I mean a long position, but a short trade. When Bitcoin started pulling back today, I put a message over there in Discord. You might want to close your longs. But this thing's running right back up here. Ended up losing this support line down here on the bottom. Not a major support, but it started down. We got 1, 2, 3 touches right there. Broke through it and has regained it, right, with Bitcoin running back up here and retesting. Turbo, I believe, is going to make a massive move here, right? If you come out on a weekly, take a look at this thing. Right, it looks phenomenal. Actually, it looks very, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves inside there. Let's go back. How about a monthly? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it looks good. It looks like it has, possibly another push up here. Don't have a monthly RSI. The weekly, getting down there, 34 and a 44. You're getting to the point where it's starting to get oversold now, right? The daily, right on the bottom, it's actually just turned bullish, 5.7 and a 5.5. All right, the 12-hour just turned up 15 and a 9. Looks good, right on the bottom. Looks fantastic. Both of these here, they're both towards the upside. The 12-hour. Look at the candle here. Nice big fat green candle starting the 8-hour. 48.5 and a 48.7. All right, but it has turned to the upside. You got some bullish divergence here on the 8-hour. You got this low and you got a higher low. You got this low and you have a lower low here, right, with price action. So a little bit of bullish divergence and the 8-hour. You can see it's 48.4 now and a 40. There, 48.2. 48 and a half. It's about ready to turn up on the 8. The 4-hour, bullish, yeah, for sure. It's heading up too. Overall, looking for this thing. If you come back out here, let's go to weekly. Take a look at a couple things here. All right, number one, this could be. You could have a wave here. You have all kinds of sets of waves out here. All right, you got 1, possibly a 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's definitely not. It started right over here. You got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on turbo. All right, let's look and see if it hit the target up there. 1618. Yeah, pretty dang close. You had your blue line there. It came up to there, so pretty close, right? Now let's get this off here, and we want to look at the newest price action here and see what's going on over here, right? For those of you that know about Elliott waves, know the market usually moves up in 5 waves when it's in bullish, and it usually moves down in 5 when it's bearish, right? On the daily over here, looks like we have another set of 5 right over here. Okay, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I believe this thing is going to head up for a 5th wave yet. All right, now you definitely do not want to violate. We have closing candles right down here. It came right down on top of it. All right, if this thing would lose any more, I would definitely think that was out. But it touched down here and has started back to the upside. You can see I have an alert set on this thing. In fact, I'm going to put this in Discord as soon as this video is done. But this thing looks like you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave up here. Okay, now any violation here of this price, right, let's put in a price right about there, right around there, 66734. If it drops below that, then this is out. Okay, then that would violate wave 1, and the 5 waves would be out. Okay, now if we come up here and take a look, put a Fibonacci up here, take a look at this thing. All right, came right up and hit a 618 and got rejected right here. Look at that. Perfectly hit that 618, got rejected. All right, what we don't want to see, obviously, is a big A, B, C, and end of story. All right, because that would push it down to this area, 42,798. All right, as long as it holds this ground up here, this yellow line right here, super important that it doesn't drop below that. All right, if it does, then this thing probably has ABC. But in the short term, I believe it has a pretty decent run back up here. Okay, at least a decent retracement here. Let's get these off here and see if we can get a price. Now, if you would, guys, check out a level 3 membership. We have, I think, 197 people in there. I always say 200, but just below that. The Discord, that's where we trade, long and short to market over there. Right now, with an alt season coming, it hasn't broke yet. When it does, you want to be in groups with people, trading. It makes it so much easier when other people are looking at charts. You're looking at charts, and everybody's working together. I'm telling you, we got some great traders in there. It's 15 bucks. That's nothing compared to what is out there. All right. By the time it's over, you get 10 hours of videos in there to watch to teach you how to start chart and how to use tools, and then you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. Right? It's a lot of fun. This looks like a possible falling wedge here. Yeah, I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 valid touches there on top. 1, 2, you're going to have a third one here when this green candle hits this top area here. So it looks like a possible falling wedge. That's what you want to see. I love trading falling wedges, especially when they get to the smallest point of the wedge. And, 8 out of 10 times these breaks to the upside. If I have an 80% chance of winning a trade, I will take that, all right? But it looks like, possible move of this thing, on a long, if you're longing it, which if you don't know what you're doing with leverage, don't mess with it, okay? I put a couple of videos in there, 14 of the level 3 membership that you can watch about leverage trading and stuff, but you definitely want to know what you're doing over there, right? You can lose your money real fast. If you're going to do it, and this isn't financial advice, go low leverage, 2x, 3x, something low where it's not going to crush you if it turns the other way, and learn how to put stop losses and all that stuff. But we put entries in there, targets, price targets, all that stuff. We'd love to have you check it out. And there's also a link in the description of the video for the site we use to trade with. It's Bitnix. All right, you don't need no VPN, no KYC. Go over there and sign up for free. I've gotten a $20 coupon and a $10 and a $5 coupon for, I've been over there about a month. With trading. I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. The wicks aren't crazy over there. It's a pretty good site. So looking like Turbo could push back to the upside, right? All these RSIs are at the bottom. Look at the 12. Super oversold. Way down here at the bottom. Everything is looking pretty decent. The 12, the daily, right at the bottom, just 5.5 and 5.4. It's bullish. Looking for Turbo to turn to the upside here. And, I would expect eventually this thing to head up to this area and then make its mind up, right? If it's going to bust through here or if it's going to get rejected. But I would think more than likely it's heading up that way. Don't bet the farm on that, obviously, but I would think at least a 618, this run back up here. So keep your eye on Turbo. It's looking pretty decent. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you very, very soon. Thanks a lot for watching the video.